Hello everyone. Today we'll be making some gorgeous flower texture art with texture paste and some super satisfying techniques. It will be much easier than it looks. We have got a MFD board of size 30 by 30 cm. Normally MFD boards are plain without any color. Here I have painted it with this color and have created a flower with leaves. It's a single flower design. Our board and design is ready. Next step is to create paste. For mixing paste, I am using a plastic container, a spoon and a cup. For paste, I am using acrylic putty, white paint and glue. Mix these three ingredients in a ratio of 4:3:1. Take putty first and then add white acrylic paint and add last glue. After adding, mix the paste well. Now to make a piping cone, take a container and a plastic wrapper. Place the wrapper inside the container. Now put all the mixed paste inside this container. Once it is done, hold the wrapper at top and put a knot tightly. Make a medium cut to the cone. Using the piping cone, start applying the paste onto your sketch flowers. Gently squeeze the cone and guide the paste to form the petals. Notice how the cone allows you to create raised, textured petals that add dimensions to your artwork. Once you have created the main structure of your flower with the piping cone, use brush to spread the paste across the petal. This is my favorite part of the process, pouring the texture paste. There's something incredibly satisfying about seeing the paste spread out smoothly, knowing it's going to add so much depth to the final piece. It's a crucial step that really sets the stage for the artwork. So be careful. Here I am cutting the piping cone again as I want a bigger cut to the cone. Repeat the same process for all the petals. We will start with the painting now. Here I am using metallic acrylic color bronze for the petals. Now let's add a touch of elegance with a gold leaf. Apply a thin layer of glue to the areas where you want the gold leaf to go. Once the glue becomes sticky, carefully place the gold leaf. Use a soft brush to gently press it down and remove any excess. The gold leaf adds a beautiful shimmer and makes the flowers pop. And there you have it, a beautiful textured flower painting that's full of life, color, and a touch of elegance with a gold leaf. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.